Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making a wonderful Chinese recipe that's sesame chicken. It's quick and easy to make. It's packed with flavors in every bite. A great treat for chicken lovers and it's an absolute delight. Now let's get started. Ingredients to marinate chicken. To make this recipe, I've got 500 grams of chicken breast, washed and pat dried. Now let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. Let's marinate the chicken. To a bowl, add the chicken cubes. To the chicken, I'm adding a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, half a teaspoon of chili powder. This is 2 pinch of baking soda and quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, mix everything together. Let the chicken absorb all the marinade. Once you mix everything thoroughly, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of water. This is to dilute the flavor a little. Again, give a nice mix. Let it marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. These are the ingredients to make sauce. Let's prepare a sauce for the chicken. For that I'm adding quarter cup of water, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and keep it aside. Heat some oil for deep frying. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken pieces. Deep fry them till they are slightly golden in color for about 3 minutes. Fry the chicken in 2 batches without overcrowding the wok so that the temperature of the oil would not drop. Chicken is done, nice and golden. Now let's remove it from the oil and keep it aside. For extra crunch, we are going to double fry the chicken. To get that extra crunch, let's double fry the chicken. Keep the flame on high and add the chicken to the oil. Chicken is nice and crunchy. Now let's remove it from the oil. Let's make sauce for the chicken. For that, into a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the chicken. To that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon of onion. Saute it for about 10 seconds. Now let's add the sauce mixture. Keep the flame on low to medium and keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or lumps are not formed. You can make sauce ahead of time. It will stay good for a few weeks in the refrigerator or 6 months in the freezer. In this stage, adjust the seasoning. I'm adding a tablespoon of sweet chili sauce. The sauce is thickened beautifully and it's got a lovely glaze to it, so make sure you cook the sauce till it's nice and creamy. Add the fried chicken and give it a quick toss. This is little saucy, so you can serve with noodles or rice. This is done. Turn off the flame. Finally, add some chopped onion leaves and some fried sesame seeds. This sesame chicken is loaded with flavors and it's a combination of sweetness and tanginess. And it's got a beautiful sauce that goes extremely well with any fried rice or noodles. Do try this recipe and share it with your family and friends, and also share your feedback and your suggestions in the comment section below. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.